Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today Chef Enrico is in charge and he gonna make something absolutely al bacio and delicious.
We're gonna make amazing Enrico sweet chili sauce.
Ah, very nice. It's gonna be nice?
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna show you which ingredient we need. Okay, Enrico, what we need?
Dried chili, fresh chili, cinnamon powder, garlic powder, salt, honey, some water,
Yeah.
oil,
Olive oil,
balsamic glaze,
black
pepper and sugar.
and sugar. Okay. I'm gonna help a little bit, Enrico.
Don't touch your eyes after touching this.
Yeah, we need a blend it, chop in half and put inside. Now lid on
That way.
like that way. We're gonna connect the cable and see you in a minute. Blending is connect. You can do. Start.
When you have something like this, it's perfect.
Okay. Now we put in the bowl. Yeah. So put in the bowl. You know. And this is the first step.
So you're gonna take one of these, put some inside.
Okay, like that.
Smash.
And how do you start? Slowly. Yeah.
Now I know how to do it.
And turn like this, you know?
You can start adding some olive oil.
I tell you to stop. Okay. And now slowly continue. Keep smashing. Yeah. Take your time and we show you when it's done.
So after half an hour, this is the result. You want something like this.
Oh, very hard job. Oh.
Now we're gonna move it into the bowl.
Yeah.
We're gonna cook it a little bit in a pan and add all the other ingredients.
Okay. I help Enrico.
And now put in.
Okay, very nice. Allora, we take a pan and now we're gonna show you the next step. Just a sec. Okay, Enrico, next step
Is putting some olive oil
into
the pan. Dried chilies in.
Everything. Fresh
Chilies in. Now mix it.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna start help a little bit Enrico.
Yep.
Because this is the dangerous part. Mix everything like this. Now we start with take the water, Enrico. Put half inside. Now Enrico, salt and pepper. That is salt. Pepper. Don't put close to your nose.
Or you will go.
Now cinnamon. Quite a good amount of cinnamon powder. We can add some garlic powder. Well done, Enrico.
You can have dirty hands after this.
The sugar we're gonna put maybe, we put everything, Enrico. All the sugar inside. 3.5. Put like that. Yeah. And now
Balsamic glaze.
put inside everything. It's 2 teaspoons. And now we're gonna add
Some honey.
is another 2 teaspoons of honey, okay?
Now take
The
the
spoon,
and
mix everything nicely and slow. the rest of the water.
Okay.
Oh, yes. What Enrico they made, look, the color is absolutely nice.
20 minutes.
Around 20 minutes, very slow. See you for?
The next step.
Okay.
Bye. After 20 minutes, the sauce is ready. Mwah. And now we're gonna try it. Oh!
Ah, Enrico.
It's so spicy, but it's still really good.
It's good. Drink some water. Guys, it's absolutely delicious. I try. It's spicy. It's delicious. I don't know from where Enrico take this ingredient. It's absolutely al bacio. Okay, guys.
This is
The Enrico's
amazing Enrico sweet chili sauce.
If you like, guys.
Finger up and follow us.
Ciao.